What's going on, everyone? It's Marsellis back with another video. We got to go over Dogecoin, but before we go over that, I want to start the video off by saying Dogecoin will reach $1. So yeah, I just want to start the video off saying that sometime next year, but I know Dogecoin will reach $1. But anyways, please hit that like button and subscribe. It helps the YouTube channel out immensely for the YouTube algorithm. Also, leave a comment in the comment section. Let me know what you guys want me to go over next. I got sticky notes full of sticky notes about what you guys want me to go over, so I'm going to be going over those sooner rather than later. And also, please check out the links in the description too for free free stocks with Robinhood, Webull, Public.com. Almost got tongue twisted there. But yeah, let's get right on with it. So as you can see, Dogecoin is still heading up here to our resistance line of 31.50. 31.50, 32 cents, whatever one you want to say. I say 31.50. But anyways, we passed 31.50 all the way up to almost 32 cents, and then we were rejected at that. So if you want to say 32 cents would probably be the better resistance. I can move it up just a little bit more. But yeah, you get the drift, you get the flow right here. 32 cents, we got rejected there, but we're about to retest that resistance, because you know what happens whenever we get rejected at our resistance. We come back down a little bit for some momentum build up, and as we build up this momentum, we go over here and we retest our resistance line. So yeah, Dogecoin will retest this resistance, and I do believe it's going to actually pass it this time in a positive uptrend. And anyways, I want to show you guys the technical analysis for Dogecoin. But yeah, remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this financial advice. Let's go over this stuff. So look at this. Dogecoin daily technical analysis for the 6th of, what is it, August? Yeah, 6th of August. I lose track of these days. But anyways, Dogecoin rose by 5.08% on Sunday, following a 1.05% gain on Saturday. Dogecoin ended the week inside 31.47, which was up 11.94%. So a mixed start to the day saw Dogecoin fall to an early morning intraday low at 29 cents. So steering clear of the first major support level at 29.22, Dogecoin rallied to a late intraday high at 31.62. So Dogecoin broke through the 23.6 Fibonacci retracement of 30.16 and the first major resistance at 30.78. So yeah, I was close. I said major resistance at 30.50, but it was actually 30.78. So that's why I leave it to the professionals. But anyways, 30.78 is the major resistance, and then 23.6 Fibonacci retracement that we were at, that we got rejected at. So anyways, look at it like this. Dogecoin being all the way here at 30.78, that we almost passed 32 cents. So I'm just going to say the major resistance is 32 cents, because it was nearly 32. Or I mean 31 cents, but it's still coming up against the major resistance level at 31.61. That's what I meant. Dogecoin eased back to end day at 31.40. So yeah, I was about 0.05 off. Anyways, at the time of writing, Dogecoin was up by 0.15% to the 31.52. A mixed start to the day saw Dogecoin fall to an early morning low of 31.44 before rising again to 31.63. So Dogecoin left the major support and resistance level untested early on. Dogecoin's been going crazy, doing some really big numbers. Anyways, for the day ahead, this is what is ahead of us now. So Dogecoin would need to avoid 30.92 pivot to bring the first major resistance level to at 32.17. So we got to avoid 30.92 in order to get to 32.17. So over here, 30.92, 32.17, I think it was, 32.17. 32.17 would be all the way about right here where we were consolidating previously in our previous consolidation, where that the end of the consolidation was. That would be our 32.17, and then our 30.92 support level would be all the way down here, right at the bottom, where we bottomed out earlier and retested our previous support line. So over here, support from the broader market would be needed. However, for Dogecoin to break through to 32 cents, we would need that support from the other. We would need the support from the whole broader crypto market. Something about the whole broader crypto market. First, let's look at this. 1.19% inside of the last 24 hours with Dogecoin, up 11.84% inside the last 7 days. $40.44 billion here. But anyways, I really want to talk about this. The Bitcoin dominance at 41.5. So yesterday we were at 41%, but now we're at 41.5. It seems like Bitcoin is trying to gain some more dominance here. You see Ethereum is going crazy, but Bitcoin is starting to go crazier again. Now 51K Bitcoin. I definitely want to see 60K Bitcoin, because 60K Bitcoin is probably going to bring us to like 50 to 70 cent Dogecoin. Like it's just gonna happen like that. I have a feeling, really good feeling, that's gonna happen like that. But anyways, bearing in crypto, bearing an extended crypto rally, the first major resistance level would likely cap any upside. So in the event of a breakout, Dogecoin could test resistance at 33 cents levels before any pullback, the second major resistance level at 32.88. So 33 cents is going to be way up here, and that is going to be towards the top of our previous consolidation here. So anyways, a fall through the 30.92 pivot would bring the first major support level at 30.21 and at the 23.6% Fibonacci retracement. So that is big news down there. We're way down here. Look at this. So 31.32, that's where this is right here, this support line. And then as you can see over here, they said 32.88 would be where we would sit at, and that would be all the way up here, like I said. But yeah, let's move on with this. Looking at technical indicators, first major support level is 30 cents, as they say. The pivot level is 30 cents, and the first major resistance level is 32.17. So yeah, those are our levels right there. So we got to stay above 30.21, and then we have to stay, somewhere near 32.17 so we can break out of it. Now, anyways, let's go on to our next segment of the day with Dogecoin here, and that is our whales. The whales are seeing these buying opportunities. I love to go over the top whales in Dogecoin. I'm not just going over random whales. Well, it's random top whales, but it's the whales that came in with a large one-time order because those are significant purchases. It shows that financial advisors are advising these millionaires and these billionaires to put a certain amount of money inside of Dogecoin at certain times. And if they're putting this much inside Dogecoin at these times, then that is definitely a good signal. So yesterday, this Dogecoin whale came in with $68.8 million. At $1, they'll be at 219 million. So it is in their best interest to do that. And maybe their financial advisors told them to do that. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor and none of this financial advice, but maybe theirs told them to do this because remember, millionaires and billionaires, they actually have financial advisors because they can afford that type of stuff. But anyways, this right here was today. This purchase came in today at $61.4 million and it's 197 million Doge. So yeah, this purchase also came in yesterday at $30.6 million. So yeah, these Dogecoin whales see exactly what's coming in the future for Dogecoin, so they're making these moves now. This Dogecoin whale came in today with 24.9 million. They'll have 79.9 million whenever we hit $1 with Dogecoin, and that'll be by next year. Sometime next year, we're gonna be hitting $1. So I don't want to say an actual date because, I can't predict the days like that. But, sometime next year, we're definitely going to be near $1 with Dogecoin. Anyways, let's go over why it's going to hit $1. So crypto analysis on Dogecoin. It's not a question of if Doge will hit $1, but it's when Doge will hit $1. That's a huge statement right there. Now, earlier today, September 5th, prominent crypto analysis and trader Scott Melker, aka the Wolf of Wall Street, or Wolf of All Streets, said that he expects Dogecoin to get back to 35 cents in the very near future. So Melker's short-term price target for Doge is based on a technical analysis of Doge. So he's looking at the technicals here. So this is the technical analysis that he did of Dogecoin for his 35 cents levitation that we're about to do here in Dogecoin. So look at this. So we're actually on the rise there. We were going down that downtrend, and that's why I was tracking the downtrend like that. Like, look at this. Yeah, it was a slight downtrend, but now that we're kind of out of that downtrend, we're going right back here on our uptrend. So good news there. So yep, you can see here how we broke out of that consolidation, and then we went inside two other periods of consolidation. This was one of the periods. Oh wait, let me go over here. It's better. This was one of the periods of consolidation. This was the next period of consolidation that we broke out of. So yeah, really good news here with Dogecoin. Dogecoin's doing some really big things inside of the future coming up. So another crypto analysis. Justin Bennett told his over 66K followers that if they already own Doge, they should keep holding and not give up on it. And this was his technical analysis. The same thing that's coming up from all of us. Look at this. Doge is one of those where the moment you think is dead and get out, it takes off without you. That's definitely true. It's happened to me so many different times. So many different times. Like, I'm gonna be honest, when Dogecoin was at like 0.006 or 0.005, it was really cheap. I had a few thousand Dogecoins and I just sold them. I was like, wow, just sell these, get a couple $100s from it. And now look at it. And now that same Dogecoin would be worth a few thousand. So actually not more than a few thousand. It would be worth more than a few thousand, maybe like 30,000 right now. But yeah, anyways, I could have a lot of money if I did not, sell out of Dogecoin a while ago, but I did. But anyways, I've been messing around with Dogecoin since like 2017. I really do like Dogecoin though. Staying patient with the second half of my position from the 27s. So over here, patience is key. If you are already in either dips 29.50 or 31 cents, reclaim your position if it goes that low. So they're saying if it goes to like 29 cents or 31 cents, reclaim your position. So right now it's at 30 cents, 30.89 right now, 0.3089. So right now is a good point to reclaim your position because look, we're about to retest this resistance here. And since we're about to retest it, that's a good time to get in now. But yeah, I'm not a financial advisor, none of this financial advice. But anyways, however, one person who is a lot more bullish on Doge than Scott Melker or Justin Bennett is Persuadamous crypto analysis and influencer Altcoin Sherpa. So Altcoin Sherpa, he's who seems to believe that in the medium term, the Dogecoin price is headed over $1. So he believes it's gonna head to $1 immediately. Now, do I think it's gonna head to $1 immediately? Most likely not. It's not gonna head $1 like just off the bat, like boom, and it hits $1. Like no, it doesn't happen like that. But we are about to rise up to 40 cents. 40 cents is coming very soon. I'm gonna be honest on that one. But yeah, for us to pass $1, first we got to get past the 70-cent resistance that we set previously. That was major resistance back then around Saturday Night Live. Like we could not get past 70 cents. The second we got there, everything just started dropping off because there were so many whales that bought in when Saturday Night Live was popping. The Saturday Night Live was going crazy, and then everyone just bought in. And then right when Saturday Night Live was done, everyone sold out. Literally everyone sold out. Nobody wanted to stay in. All the big whales that came in with the millions and the billions, they all left Dogecoin out to dry. But anyways, over here, buying Dogecoin is like making a bet on the Doge community and Elon Musk. And yeah, there's just a lot of people that are really big here with Dogecoin. So I definitely believe Dogecoin is gonna reach $1. It just has too much support for it to not reach $1. But anyways, let's go on to our next state. So the Dogecoin price prediction. So Doge to catch breath before further rallying. So what do they mean by catching breath? It's gonna kind of retrace a little bit before it starts to take off again for our resistance. But anyways, Dogecoin is trading steadily above the 30-cent resistance level that is surpassed on Wednesday. The move is in line with the Bitcoin's price market of 50% or $50,000. Now it's at 51,000, almost 52. So Dogecoin price prediction. Dogecoin price has eased around 31 cents after surging past the crucial resistance turn support level of 30 cents. So look, everyone is talking about the same exact thing. Everyone's mentioning the same thing when they mention Dogecoin. They're mentioning the same support levels of 30 cents and the same resistance levels of 31 plus. So we're going to see big stuff coming here inside Dogecoin. But anyways, we're about to really pass 33 cents here with Dogecoin. That is their prediction here. So this is about to come sooner rather than later. So we just got to get past our resistance that we currently have. But yeah, remember, none of this financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. But if you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe. And check out the link in the description for a free stock with Robinhood, Webull, and Public.com. And I'll be back with another video. Peace.